Hi students, welcome to Graphic Imaging CIS 134 fall term. Hope you're all settling into the term well. I have a number of things posted on this sort of intro area of the course, and one is that we will be working with exercises, projects, and exams this term. I think I only have a total of 2 quizzes. Projects are a photo restoration, an event poster, and an animation. There'll be instructions for each project and for every task required of you. It is required that you have access to Adobe Creative Cloud, Adobe Photoshop in particular for this class, not necessarily the others. So if you do not have it at home, know that you are welcome to use a computer in the library on JC's campus. They're also Photoshop loaded in many of the classrooms, I believe. So it just depends. You can download a free trial. I think it's only for 2 weeks, or you can pay for a subscription. Yes, Adobe is real good about their subscriptions. I think for students, I think there is this link goes to the hub, which there's you can connect in the Solution Center as well. JC students get a discount. Pretty big discount for the subscription. And if you're going into graphic design or 3D design animation, you're going to want access to this. And so the subscription is something you might want to think about unless you have access somewhere else. So no student will be granted special treatment. You can read all about that. The other thing is I have a syllabus here for you to read. Be sure that you note my late policy, which is up to a week with no questions asked. After that, 80%. After that, 0. If you have a big problem that occurs during this term, please connect with me. Communication is key. You can contact me Tuesday through Friday. Normally, I will answer questions throughout the weekend as well, 24 to 48 hour response time. If you're on Central Campus, it's probably best to connect with me between 1 and 4 in William Atkinson Hall. My office is WA 226D. I'm on Hillsdale and Adrian. I'm Friday by appointment. I'm in meetings on Friday, and then I have a couple days where I power grade at home. So you can connect with me in my office or otherwise any one of those other locations, whatever works with you if you need help. Each unit, you'll note that there'll be an overview. I do have a YouTube page with multiple videos for every single task that we work on. Our videos connect directly to Adobe Help, which is open access learning. And so I also integrate a lot of open industry standard projects throughout each unit of the course. Goals for this week in particular are to just introduce yourself, learn the Photoshop workspace. I have multiple videos to support you in that. And then to complete a forum, an effects forum, kind of talking about some effects that you might be able to find and research online. Each week, I'll have an instructions file up top. So you just click on that, note that you can go through it, and it tells you exactly what's required of you. Many weeks, I may have a video up top if it warrants a video. Otherwise, you can just read the instructions and then go ahead, and these videos will be below resources. Every unit has a resources a week due for submission and a peer support forum. The peer support forum is if you're having some technological problems and you want peer support and you're not hearing back from myself immediately, and maybe somebody else might be online looking. You can connect with me directly just by clicking on my email address. And then just be sure this week that you're introducing yourself. I've already added mine, but oh, no, I haven't. I guess I need to add that yet. So you can just add a subject and then post your thread below and then post to forum. If you have questions uploading or posting to JetNet, please feel free to ask me. I'm happy to meet with you and do a one-on-one sort of introduction of how to understand and create consistent workflows within JetNet. So I really look forward to working with each and every one of you. The course will reveal its new content every Sunday, and it will close the following Sunday. I do my best. If I feel that I'm ready, I will. I don't want students working too far ahead because each task builds upon itself. So to be careful, I only reveal one unit at a time. However, there are some weeks that I decide that you're all at a point where I can begin to reveal more units. I will do so. If you have any questions, please let me know, and have a great term, guys. I'm looking forward to learning with you. See you in the next video.